Hello, everyone. This is Marlon Carter again out of Dallas, Texas. The elder Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. I am a gospel preacher first. I am an entrepreneur next. And welcome to my video. And what I want you to do is hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. And make sure you click the bell so that you can be alerted when I make another video. Excuse me. Most of my videos, as I state all the time when I make these videos, I want to let you know what I do uh, uh, from home and online as far as making an income. I promote marketing tools that you can use to promote your business opportunity online. And if you don't have a business opportunity, if you're looking for something to do from home or online, then I will show you what I'm doing as well, as far as that's concerned. And I just love making these videos. But what I want to present to you today is my cash building system unlimited program, which is a postcard business that I started from home. I started seeing all these videos about cash building system unlimited, and I always wanted to do direct mailing. I have gotten involved with a few, and excuse me, if you look at some of my videos, you will see that uh, I have been involved with some postcards businesses before, but this is one that really stood out to me because I saw people coming in and people are jumping on board, and I say, man, let me check this out. And with this, I went on and joined. I paid $50 and I joined, and then I received my kit. And I just wanted to let you know what I got in the mail as far as the cash building system unlimited postcard business. I got in the mail my cards. I got 200 of these postcards right here. Can you see that? I got 200 of these in the mail, and my ID number I put in the left hand corner up there, 1556, so you can see it, 1556, and I put a stamp on them, a postcard stamp on them, and then I put a peel and stick lead on them, and I mail them out. Of course, you get your peel and stick leads in the same kit. You're gonna get a kit in the mail. You're gonna get an envelope in the mail, and it's going to have your cards in there, which I showed you. Then it's going to have your 200 leads in there, your peel and stick leads. You're going to have those in there, and all you have to do is peel them off, stick them on the card, put your postage stamp on there, and mail it out. And then you are on your way. You are in business. Uh, a lot of things are going on in life right now as far as having people having to leave their job. People are getting sick, being out in the public, and it behooves us to stay in as much as we can. But if you want to make money while you're staying in, or you're not wanting to get out like you used to, you can join up with me in the postcard business, the cash building system unlimited, and when you join, you're gonna get this package in the mail, and you're in business. I want you to take a look at the video that's on the next page, and it's representing Cash Building System Unlimited, and it will show you exactly what you are getting and what you can achieve in this postcard business. And man, it's amazing. You can make from 70 up to $3,500, continually in this business, and people are doing that. People are making thousands daily, weekly, and it's a simple business just by mailing out postcards. but I like to put it online as well. So I make these videos to let people know what an awesome business I'm involved with. And I always love mailing out postcards or flyers and things of that sort. And when you get money in the mail, man, it's so exciting to go to your mailbox, to not just to collect bills or junk mail, but you receiving money in the mail. Man, direct marketing has been around for a long time. And this postcard business that I'm involved with, to me, it beats it all. So look for your kid in the mail when you join up. Go over here, click this right here. It's going to take you over to a video, and it's going to explain to you how you can start making money weekly. 200, 500 to $1,000 per week. And this is an updated video. And it will explain to you everything you need to know about how much you can make in this business, and what to look for once you join up. It doesn't take but a one-time fee of $50 to join. Man, you can't beat that when you can start receiving money back to back in the mail. Because once a person joins, I'm not going to go through the compensation plan. I'm going to let you look at it on the next page. When you click this click here, you'll watch the video and you will know everything you need to know about getting started, and what to look for as far as getting your kit in the mail. All right, my name is Marlon Carter. Thank you for watching my video. I am the elder Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Grew up in West Dallas, and I was born in Texarkana, Texas. And you might as well say Dallas is my hometown because I grew up here, and I love Texas. You know, I don't have nothing against Dallas. At first, I didn't want to come because I was a country boy. I was a kid. I wanted to stay in the country, you know. But now that I've come to Dallas, I love Dallas, and I would just like for you to be a part of my team in the Cash Building System Unlimited. And that was just a short introduction into what to look for once you join, and what your kid is going to have inside. And let's get started. Let's get started and work this business. All it takes just a simple mailing out postcards. All right, have a wonderful day or night, and we'll talk to you on the next video. Bye bye now.